Well, hello everyone. So, I've been promising you for years that I would actually give you an interview of my little friend here. This is Biscuit. So, often heard in my videos, but very seldom seen. He's a bit of a diva. He doesn't put up with interviews, do you? Biscuit, you looking at us? You? Yep. But I caught him in one of his slumbering moments, should we say. He's 9 years old. He's a yellow lab. He's my little brother. I call him the family dog, but in realistic terms, he's actually my sister's dog. But we share a house together. He's a bit of a sport brat. Oh, and he's a bit of a diva because he doesn't know what I've seen. Biscuit, Biscuit, you're going to say hello to somebody. Biscuit, you guys say hello. Look, see the people there? So people like Darcy say hello and hugs to Biscuit all the time. But Biscuit, do you ever answer? I don't think so. So he's a bit of a sweetie though, are you? He's a bit of a shook. He likes, where are you? I'll get you wherever you are. He's a lovely dog. He likes cuddles, he likes walks, he goes out for a walk. At least once a day, sometimes twice a day. He has his routines though. Biscuit, Biscuit, come on. There you go, that's better. So, okay, he gets up when he wants to get up, don't you? Do you get up when you want to get up? Yes, you do. I thank you for the kisses, yes. So basically, when my sister gets up in the morning, Biscuit will stay in bed until it's time for him to get up, which is whenever he wants. Normally go out for a walk, what's it, about 6:30? About 6:30 in the morning, goes out for a walk with whichever guests we've got here, because obviously my sister runs a dog boarding business, so sometimes we've got more than one hound in the house. When he comes back, he has a breakfast. Yep, he has breakfast, and then won't come in to have a rest until he's had a treat after it, because every dog needs his dessert, so he has a bony or biscuit afterwards. Lunchtime's usually about 1 o'clock for him. No desserts after that, because goodness knows, you've got to keep your girlish figure, haven't you? Even though you are a boy. Evening time has his food about 4-ish, and then early evening, one of his favourite snacks is a raw carrot. We give him those because it helps keep his teeth clean, and it's a good bit of fibre, and he enjoys them. Favourite hobbies for the summertime is loves lying in the sun on the bench, to the point where sometimes we've got to pull him in because I swear he'd be fried to a chip otherwise. He goes to the beach, I'd say once, maybe twice a week, because my sister boards another dog who goes to the beach twice a week, so she takes both of them. That's usually on a Monday or Friday. He likes swimming, does running. He's 9 years old now. You're 9 years this year? I think you're 9 years this year. So he's beginning to plod more than run, but in his youth he was one of the fastest Labradors I've ever seen. He's unlike some labs, he's not a dustbin for food, are you? You like your food, but you're not one of these people who's snaffling around trying to get food all the time. So, loves to cuddle. You're just a big old softy, aren't you, really? Yes, you are. But he does protect. I mean, he's a good house dog. Who needs a doorbell when you've got a dog? So just thought I'd say hello. And Biscuit, you going to say hello? Hey, Schnookums. Nah, he's a big softy. He's just come back from a really long walk, so he's probably a little tired, aren't you? So, never mind. But he's in good health, and we love him to death, and he's my little brother. And that's the way we treat the world. So when you hear that barking in the background, it's him. I'm saying hello to the postman, which he likes. He's not a vicious dog. He's very tolerant of all the other little puppies and everything we have here staying with us. So an absolutely beautiful dog, beautiful companion, and we love you. Do you love them, Biscuit? Ooh. And he's a bit of a snob. So he deigned to give us the interview. So anyway, until next time, thought to see who our special friend is. And as I promised, this was it. You there? No, that's Biscuit. So Darcy, he's sending hugs. Bye now. Till next time.